Imagine pulling up to a campsite and instead of tents or your usual RVs, you're staring at what looks like a mobile 5-star hotel. Wait, this isn't just big, it's monumental. I mean 45 feet long, 8 feet wide, and it towers up to 20 feet tall once you account for that rooftop deck. That's not an RV, that's a palace on wheels. This, my friends, is the Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo Superior, and honestly, it's insane. You've seen luxury cars, private jets, even yachts that scream opulence, but seeing this thing in person? It completely rewrites what mobile luxury even means. From the outside, the design is cinematic. Sleek lines meet bold, commanding presence, with a paint finish so flawless you could see your reflection. Every angle, every contour feels like it was sculpted to impress, to dominate the road while still looking elegant. Look at the way the roof deck rises, like a secret penthouse waiting to be discovered. And the LED accent lights? They don't just illuminate, they announce that you've arrived. This isn't subtle. This is a statement. Step inside, and the jaw-dropping reality hits you. 732 square feet of pure, uninterrupted luxury. Wait till you see this inside. The space is split over 2 stories, but it doesn't feel cramped or mechanical. It's open, airy, cinematic. Walk past the main living area, and you're greeted by a lounge that could rival any top-tier hotel. Plush seating, high-end finishes, and lighting that feels warm, inviting, yet dramatic, like it's whispering, "Relax, you deserve this." The kitchen area isn't just functional, it's a showpiece. Premium cabinetry, top-of-the-line appliances, every surface meticulously crafted. You could cook a 5-course meal here, and honestly, you'd want to, just to match the surroundings. But let's not forget the entertainment. 2 massive 42-inch LED TVs are ready to beam your favorite shows in ultra-crisp quality, while the Steinway and Lingdorf sound system fills every corner with cinematic audio. Imagine watching a movie in here. The acoustics are insane. Now, the bathroom. Hold on. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a spa. A serene, glazed rainfall shower that makes every drop feel like it's massaging your soul. Heated floors underfoot, ambient lighting, finishes that shimmer like liquid metal. And right next to it, the master bedroom. King-sized bedding crafted by the same suppliers who outfit the British royal family. Yes, royal-level sleep while parked anywhere in the world. Can you even imagine? And the rooftop. Oh, the rooftop. A lounge equipped with a bar, seating, and panoramic views that make your regular deck feel like a folding chair. Perfect for sunrise coffees or sunset cocktails, this deck transforms the whole vehicle into a moving social experience. Your neighbors, they'll stare. Your Instagram, instant fire. Performance isn't just for show either. Under the hood sits a Volvo inline-6 engine pushing up to 600 horsepower. For a vehicle this size, that's extraordinary. Driving it isn't just moving down the road, it's commanding a giant. Smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and enough power to tackle highways or twisty routes with surprising grace. And trust me, when you take this beast out for a spin, people don't just watch. They stop and stare. Every detail screams exclusivity. From the heated floors to the hand-selected materials to the tiniest touches that most RVs wouldn't even dream of, Marchi Mobile has thought of everything. You could spend hours exploring every nook and still discover something new, like hidden storage compartments, elegant lighting cues, or tech controls that make you feel like you're piloting a private jet. Price? Well, it hasn't been formally announced yet. But let's be honest, this isn't going to be affordable. The Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo Superior is for those who want the absolute peak of mobile luxury, the kind of buyer who expects perfection and demands it everywhere they go. This is more than an RV. It's a lifestyle, a statement, a palace you can drive. And here's the kicker. While we wait for official numbers and availability, you can still explore every inch online. But seeing it in person? That's a completely different experience. Every texture, every reflection, every subtle ambient glow, it all comes alive when you're there. So imagine this. You pull into your favorite scenic spot, and instead of pitching a tent, you step out onto a 2-story palace on wheels. Your morning coffee tastes better, your evening sunsets feel cinematic, and every moment inside feels like it was custom built for you. That's the Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo Superior. This is the pinnacle of what a motorhome can be, and it raises the bar for anyone else trying to compete. And trust me, the next one is even crazier. Like, completely mind-blowing. So if you love seeing the absolute limits of automotive luxury, make sure to hit that like button, comment what feature blew your mind, and subscribe for more luxury rides that push the boundaries. You don't want to miss what's coming next.